Hey, are you looking for remote work and having a hard time finding it? I'm going to show you the LinkedIn strategy. You can go to LinkedIn and look at the job sections right here. I'm using the app right now. You can go there, desktop, it's the same as well. Go to job and you can go and put the title right here. Search jobs. You can add the title, that whatever you want. For example, I'm going to put the sales manager, let's say, and you can also define what is it that you want, where the industry. Let's say if you want it in banking, you can try that approach as well. There's a different way to do the Boolean search, which I teach in my class. But then again, it's just a simple way. What's important here is you have to put the remote here. So if you're looking for remote work, and right there, you are going to find these and make sure these remotes are highlighted here as well. When you are going on to the top sections, there are all those filters. Make sure you make the best use out of it. Now, here we go. Remote job, banking. All right. So, well, how easy is that? So good luck with it, and make sure that LinkedIn is branded properly as well. And if you need any help, we're here at Teaching You. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel where there are a lot of informations, and we have a blog as well online for job search strategies, specifically targeting the LinkedIn. And the other thing I wanted to show you is, because you have highlighted the remote work, LinkedIn is super smart. It is going to show you, because you've seen the remote work and they know that you want to, then it actually tells you remote opportunities because you expressed the interest in remote work. How cool is that?